Sånt skött och kiholinna.
October 2021, we have Pohjoisranta another 26. The best one with 8 light floors, but 8 is the tallest one. It was built in 1929 or 2004. The serial number is H1060, and characteristics is PNC later on. We expected in 2021 this year. I think the best is 4 pairs and 2 rooms. And I probably haven't been here before.
Yeah.
So this was a great idea to get in.
Yeah.
It is very beautiful. Also with evergreen bottles.
Yeah.
And I still think it would deserve 2 rides.
Yeah.
I said the interior is the original.
Mm.
And it was not in use, at least right now. But I don't know, that can be going on. Buttons are beeping, like Kone buttons.
Yeah.
So maybe it was early 2004.
Mm.
And it's got the numbers between the floors also.
Yeah.
But they're not here.
Ja, spektiivpaakin vaikuttaa, että meidän vaikka Kone.
Yeah. It's taking a little while to start.
Yeah.
It's a bit strange because I thought somebody was coming in, but they were not.
Yeah.
They closed the door. Someone decided not to go out yet.
Yeah.
And then also the metal plate in the back wall.
Yeah.
It used to be the Swedish one, but somebody screwed it away for some weird reason.
Yeah.
It should be in Swedish, but it's not. It's only in Finnish. It used to be another one beside it. There's traces of it.
Yeah.
So someone here in Kronhagen was clearly somebody weirdo.